It's his secret garden. Come see. It is totally a little secret garden.
Whoa, Mom! Alvin, come down here. There's a river down here.
If you missed last week's episode, the girls and I went to the local farmers market.
Alright everyone, today we are going to Waimea. There's a cool little creek and park that we wanted to show you guys. And we need to do a little bit of shopping, so we figured we'd take you along for the ride. And we went over the mountain road today, and because the volcano hasn't been erupting for a while, so there really is no fog, and the visibility is just amazing, as you can probably see behind me here. That little sandy looking area down here, I don't know if you can see it or if I'm pointing in the right area. That little sandy area is where we were at a few weeks ago for the cultural festival, and that's Kauai High Harbor. And then coastline down there as well, the beaches that we like to go to. And you can see pretty far, not quite all the way to Kona, not quite to Kona, but pretty good.
We are here.
This sign right here. There's a sign right here.
Yeah. Oh, it's Ohia tree. Oh, it's Ohia flowers.
Look, there's a chicken in the bushes.
Beautiful.
Chickens in the bushes.
Chickens hiding in the bushes. Look, there's a coconut.
We chase them into the bushes.
Okay, ready?
Let's go see the screen. I see another chicken. Come on, Evelyn. I see beautiful chickens. Dad.
Duck, duck.
Get the chicken. Chicken.
You catch chickens by chasing like that, you'd be really, really quick.
That's where me and my friends were. A long time ago, me and my friends were here and we hiked up that little trail with the wooden things.
You want to go do it again?
Bye. Yeah.
Ellen's never been here before. Come
You
on,
guys
let's
were
go see.
standing right there. And we hiked across the river and up into the bushes. That was a good day. Come on.
Oh.
We have to go on the rock.
Be careful. Don't slip. Look, Lauren, you can probably step down right there to the left. There you go.
The only way to get over there is to go up these rocks.
Go ahead. I got the top.
Come on, Ellen.
Go ahead.
Ellen is technically, I guess technically never been here before, because the last time we came was we had to come here for a prenatal appointment, and so Ellen wasn't born yet. So Willen's come twice now. This is only my second time. Heidi's been here twice.
I've never walked around this part.
Yeah.
Because I am the one who walked here for the first time with my friends.
Yeah, you came here with
And you guys were waiting over there on the other side of the river.
your preschool friends, right?
Yeah. And we walked that way, and then we took a little adventure and looked around, and then we came back. And you guys were only waiting over there on the side of the river.
Hold my hand? Okay.
What happened?
From guess when the hurricanes, the hurricane and maybe that last tropical storm we had. He said the wind was really bad.
The tree fell?
Look at this one too.
What's going to blow our mind?
You'll see when you get there.
Okay.
Amazing. Mind blown.
Oh, a stream.
Wow. Yeah, I have to redo the trail. Looks like. Here's the stream.
This is the amazing thing I wanted to show you.
The amazing stream.
This is the amazing thing I wanted to show you.
No.
The stream actually flows behind the grass. But it looks like there's a cave over the grass.
There's a trail over there we can walk along. It's all over there.
Yeah.
How do you get over there?
We have to cross back.
I thought the path kept going around.
It does on the other side. So we cross the stream in the middle.
Gwendolyn, what is this area?
A beaver dam.
This the big beaver dam? You said this looks like a big beaver dam. It's like a whole lot of cane or bamboo cut down. Lead the way, Ellen. And Gwendolyn. Whee!
There's still a trail there, but the grass is overgrown in it.
Check it out. I'm gonna have to go back. The trail ends here.
That's why I wanted to go back the way we came.
Good call, Gwendolyn.
Because
Are there any fish in that stream?
Probably. I'm not sure.
Crawfish?
Yeah, maybe crawfish.
yes,
Why is it called prawns or prawns?
And they call them prawns here.
I don't think it's a prawn. I don't know, maybe it is a prawn.
yes.
Yeah, it's like crawfish with long arms.
Are they shaped different?
The bodies look the same, but they got these little skinny, really skinny long claws. Like
Each glass.
crawfish have big fat claws, and the ones here have like, it looks like a leg, but it's got little
Dad.
claws on the end. Yeah, be careful. It's like regular glass.
Look now, Ellen's
I'll
leading
put
the
it in
way.
my pocket.
Yeah, come
Watch where you're
on.
I'll
going.
take this home for my collection. But for now, I'm
No,
gonna
no, no. Ellen, that way. Go that way. There you go. There you got it.
Lead the way then.
Take your time. You don't have to go fast.
Didn't go that way.
Are we lost?
No?
Are we lost in the forest?
No. Follow me.
Okay.
Wait, I thought we wanted to go around. Not this way.
You can't even see what this thing was. Right here, this thing.
Daddy, we might be able
a
to. I
little
might
place
be
down
able to
here.
get across here.
I don't know. The water's moving kind of fast right there.
I know.
It's fast moving. You could also take a bath. It's deep right there, look. Be careful, that ground is slippery, Gwendolyn. That sand will come out right
So we
up.
got across?
No, we crossed over there.
Want to play in the stream?
The water's gonna be freezing.
Go down there, Alan?
That's why it's gonna be slippery right there. Alan.
Alright. Hold her hand.
Alright, let mommy go down. Alright, it's gonna be real slick. You go to mommy?
Wow.
I got you.
I gotcha. Put your feet in. Chile.
I did it! Mom, look, I did it!
Good job.
Good job.
Sometimes we just bring bathing suits so we can splash and play.
You dunk it? Dunk. 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 Look at that one. You got all the way across. You want to climb up across?
Wait, I'm coming back down.
This fresh water?
Yeah, it's coming out of the mountain.
Out of the mountain?
Yeah, coming from the wet side of Waimea.
It's cold. Ooh, it's really cold.
It's deep right there.
Feels like it's... Is that from the stream or is it raining?
I think it's drizzling a little bit or something. I'm not sure what's going on.
Oh, it's sunny. It's hard to know.
We are the sisters. We are the sisters. We love to play and dance all day. We are the sisters. Now you clap.
Ta-da! I can't clap. I only have one hand. There you go. Alan's clapping.
Mommy, you clap. Thank you.
The stage.
But what is the point? Can I take my clothes off?
No, we're not going to do that.
What is that? Mommy, I see a rock here.
Oh, knee bust.
Oh, yeah, please. Don't touch me. They're coming.
Good job, Gwendolyn.
I did great, so it's gonna be sore.
Yeah, you probably careful, Dad. That last rock is slippery.
More chickens, Ellie.
Can you make it? It's very steep.
Mom,
Look at the bird, Ellen. It's a bird right there. Look. Look at the bird. Oh, he flew away.
Ellen, come feel these soft leaves. I have a thing for soft leaves. Look right here, Ellen. Feel these. These are like velvet.
feel this. Daddy, feel this.
Only the new growth are really soft like that. Okay, let's go check it all out. What do you see, Evelyn? Like little baby seeds?
Come on, Dad. We're going down the trail that you want us to walk on. Daddy, come on. We're going up the trail that you want us to walk on.
Evelyn was just sniffing that one. It's so cute. These are edible flowers. These are nasturtiums. Nasturtiums? One of those. If you eat those orange flowers, they're really good. They have almost like a peppery little bite to them. Lots of people here put them on salads and stuff. It's yummy.
What is that?
It's a secret garden. Come see.
What is
It is totally a little secret garden.
Whoa, Mom! Element, come down here. There's a river down here.
Watch, there's a little vine right there that might get tangled in. I just had it wrapped around my leg.
And it's a good place for birds to live too. Because then nobody can harm the birds. Look at that. Now we know a secret that probably no one else knows.
No, I saw that little hole. This is neat, huh?
Yeah.
A neat little hidden area.
Hey, look, there's a pond over there. There's a pond over there. Can you see it? I want to go across the river. Let's go.
Over the river and through the woods. To the fern valley we blow. Woo! Jimmy, Jimmy! You're going on over here.
Don't push me. Reach your butt out. First to arrive out is Elowen and Mommy. Second to arrive out is Gwendolyn, me. Did you hear what I said?
Now, I was looking at that. I didn't even, I had no idea that was under there.
Walk across the bridge.
Is there a troll under it?
No. Why is there a bridge right here?
I also supposed to cross the river.
Is it stable?
I'm sure it's fine. You hear a waterfall. There's a waterfall right there. Can't really see it. Maybe you can see it from over here.
What's the bird made out of?
It's like logs.
It's logs with a mattress on top.
Let's go that way.
Okay.
Let's go that way.
This is the way back, I believe.
Oh, that looks cool. We used to do this fun stuff in
Hey
the river,
guys,
remember?
we can go
Yeah.
right down close to the river.
Y'all see a troll under the bridge?
No, there's no going.
No troll under the bridge?
Pretty under
Just look.
here.
What's that, babe?
This is pretty under here.
Hey, look, I can get down to the river and we can dress and play.
I don't know how far this goes. Wow, this is neat.
You want to get on the rock?
Whee! Here's an even bigger rock. What is this?
A lot of mosquitoes on it.
Are these eggs?
Dun 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 dun! Super
No,
relevant!
Pretty.
You eat them, they taste a little bit like licorice.
Hope that isn't poisonous.
It's good. It's
Guess
edible.
we'll find out in a little while if your mouth goes numb. No, Alan, come on.
Go back in there.
Alan wants to go back in the cave.
This is what Elowen collected, and this is what I collected.
Neat.
We're both finding new nature treasures for our...
Nature treasure collection?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you.
Ellen. I know, the brave Gwendolyn will do. A trapeze trick.
Ready? Now brave Elowen.
Perfect
We'll
10.
do a trapeze trick.
Oh, don't fall in the cement.
You lay flat, your arms by your side. Head down. Ready? And you roll. You roll like a bug. Ready? Roll like a bug, Elowen.
Okay. Wow.
Look at Ellen. Look at Gwendolyn do. No? Okay. You want me to do it?
Watch this. I will fall down
You want
the
to do
hill.
it? You want me to do it?
Whoa. Whoa. Ellen, sit. Sit right here. Roll, roll, roll.
Come on, Ellen. Whoa, I'm all dizzy. You try it. No? Okay.
I collected lots of things. And lots of wood.
You collected what?
Lots of rocks,
Lava rock and what?
twigs.
Wood that's been chopped up.
Mulch for the
Mulch.
trail.
Oh, no, that's what people eat.
And a smooth rock.
Alright, what did you collect?
What did you collect? Gwendolyn?
And so, this is what Elowen collected. And then this is what I collected.
Beach glass is still in there. Didn't know there's no beach around here. We'll call it mountain glass. Well, that's more like just a piece of glass. You gotta be careful with that. You got a smushed up flower in there.
Let me see if there's anything else.
That glass can cut you going on. Okay. You be really careful with it.
It's right here. I got some clear beach glass. I got
That's
some
not beach
clear.
glass, babe. That's
Well, I
just
got some clear glass and some blue
but
glass.
that can cut you. You need to be careful. Okay.
Okay, and that's it. So this is what I collected. This is what Elowen collected.
Okay. Very nice stuff. Let's pack up and head back to Kohala. Thanks everyone for watching. We really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, please click subscribe, and the thumbs ups really helps us a lot. It helps us go up the search rankings a little bit so more people can find us. And tune in next week as we'll be doing more adventures on the Big Island of Hawaii.